Here is a Whirlpool low-profile microwave. Now, I don't think this particular model was ever had a video on YouTube, so this might be one of the first, if not. But I just want to get it out there, though. Anyways, there's two ways you can actually open the door on this. It's either the handle on the bottom, as you can see there, or you can push this button right here to open it. Now, the latest model of the low-profile microwave by Whirlpool, it has an open button on the controls here rather than this. Anyways, I do want to get it out there though. So let's open it up. Now, the door is a bit squeaky on this one, but who knows how old this is. It's inside here, pretty clean. Light bulb still works on it. See this model right there. This is model WML30511KS-0, manufactured May of 2020. So this thing is around 5 years old at this point. See the way it sees the controls here. So this is the over range, as you can see there. So it has things like the light, the vent fan, and all that. So let's turn on the service light now. This is high. This is low. And then you can turn it off. Here's the vent fan here. And also show up on the top. Alright, so let's go ahead and lock the controls on it. You just hold the cancel button for 3 seconds and then you can use it. Can't start it, no nothing. So in order to take this off, you just have to hold the cancel button for 3 more seconds. And then it'll go away. So anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Anyways, that's pretty much about it for this Whirlpool microwave.